Craving that restaurant-style sweet and sour chicken? Let's make it crispy, tangy, and better than takeout in minutes. You'll need 500 grams chicken breast, cut into bite-sized cubes, 2 eggs, beaten, ½ cup all-purpose flour, ½ cup cornstarch, 1 red bell pepper chopped, 1 green bell pepper chopped, 1 medium onion chopped, 1 cup pineapple chunks, ½ cup ketchup, 1/4 cup rice vinegar or white vinegar, 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 4 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon cornstarch mixed with 2 tablespoons water. Coat the chicken pieces in egg, then dredge in the flour cornstarch mix. Fry until golden brown and crispy. Set aside. In a hot pan, stir-fry bell peppers, onion and pineapple for 2 minutes. Add ketchup, vinegar, soy sauce and sugar. Stir and simmer until slightly thick. Add the fried chicken into the sauce. Toss well until every piece is coated with that glossy sweet and sour flavor. And that's it. Crispy, tangy, sweet and sour chicken. Perfect with steamed rice. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick recipes.